Take out the instrument and all accessories. Remove the 2 screws on the back of the machine. Align the bracket with the screw holes. Secure with screws. The installation method for the other handpiece bracket is the same. Align the handpiece connector with the instrument's port and push it in firmly. You should hear a distinct click sound. Then release your fingers. Place the instrument's operation head on the bracket. Remove the IPL water inlet screw cap. Remove the water overflow screw cap. Insert the rubber tube funnel into the IPL water inlet. Add approximately 4 liters of distilled or purified water until water overflows from the water overflow port. Remove the rubber tube funnel. Screw the cap back on. Connect the foot pedal. It can be used as an alternative to the switch button on the handpiece. Open the cover of the power input port. Align the connector firmly inserted into the instrument's power input port and connect the power supply. Insert the key and turn it to start the instrument. Remove the dustproof cover from the handpiece. Rotate the treatment head replacement button to the open position. Align the corresponding spot size adapter and press it in firmly. Rotate to lock the treatment head replacement button. First, unscrew the cap on the drainage port and place a container underneath to catch the water. Then open the screw cap on the drainage port until all the water has drained out. Use a damp towel to clean any residual gel from the handpiece and bracket. It is recommended to disinfect the contact surface of the treatment head with 75% alcohol before each use. After cleaning, store the spot size adapter and glass filter properly. Attach the dustproof adhesive tape to the handpiece